introduce yourself. Who are you?
My name's Jason. I am a refrigeration mechanic and industrial gas fitter. I work for Animal Green Mechanical in beautiful Vancouver, BC. That's up in Canada. I've been in the trade for 18 years, and something fun about myself is I've only been in the trade as an indentured apprentice for Emerald Green Mechanical. So kind of unique, where I've only worked for one employer from the time I was an apprentice to the time I am now. It's one of the first ones that I know of that's installed in the province. And it's basically just a VRF system. But the unique thing is the condensing unit is not powered from electricity with a traditional compressor. It's powered from natural gas. So there's actually a natural gas engine with a flywheel and a belt, and then there's two compressors in the condensing unit that are powered from the natural gas engine. So definitely a bit of a unique technology there. And the beauty is that you don't need a large electrical service because it's using natural gas to power the compressors.
What sizes are you pressing today?
1 and 1, 7/8 and 5/8. So my discharge gas will be 1 and 1, and then my liquid line will be 5/8, and my other gas line will be 7/8. Yesterday we ran a bunch of piping on the roof from the condensing unit, and that brought us down into this tiny little janitor's closet. And so the plan is we need to get the piping to the back wall, where we can have a set of Ys come to our branch box on this floor, and then have the main piping run down the back side of the ladder, where we have some concrete cores already cut out for us, so we can continue on similar fashion for all the other floors we have. There's, I think, 6 different floors that we need to provide cooling and heating to. Time it takes to press it versus brazing it is going to be less for us, and also the convenience of pressing it in a finished building versus brazing and not having to do hot works is another obvious choice. And then I don't know, I find dry fitting the press fittings to be just as easy, if not easier, than dry fitting just standard brazing fittings as well. I'm not going to burn myself on a press fitting, so I've done a lot of silly things in my career, but I haven't burned myself on a press fitting yet. So, and then just property damage to a building, whether it be obviously not on purpose, but things can happen, right? But you fully eliminate that risk out of the equation.
guys will be using on this project, if you know, like a rough estimate.
Yeah, so the larger size diameter pipes for the main runs will all be pressed, and then once we get down to the smaller ones, it'll probably be a mixture of press and then soft copper bent to where we need it to go. But I mean, just to get down from the roof to the first floor that we're at, it was about a dozen, or probably about 2 or 3 dozen fittings just to get from the roof with the 3-pipe system with your discharge, your suction gas, and your liquid line to get down one level was about 2 or 3 dozen fittings across the 3 lines.